Hi guys, this is Vivek and today I'm going to unbox the IKEA USB cable which is 1.5 meters, which is called a little height micro USB cable. So this is the product itself which I got from IKEA. So this, as you can see, it's written that price is 420, but if you check in IKEA.in, it's 299 or 399. I think so there may be a price difference, okay? So now people get confused how to open this, but some people cut it like this with the weight, but there's a gap here how we have to open. So you have open like this. I got this separate manual for instruction guides. So here we have to open it. As you can see, I opened the product. So let's keep this aside. So this, as you can see, this is the cable itself. This is a massive cable which I like. Whoa, this is very long. From here, this much. I seriously love this cable. This is a micro USB, as you can see. This is the micro USB.
This is the micro USB.
Please subscribe and like.